Welcome to English Tagalog Phrasal Verbs Lesson number 2. Today, we are going to learn the phrasal verb move out. The phrasal verb move out means to leave the place where you live or stay and go live somewhere else. For example, she moved out of her apartment when she got a job in Manila. Ibig sabihin, umalis siya sa apartment niya nang makakuha siya ng trabaho sa Manila. Kaya kapag sinabing move out, pwedeng umalis or lumipat ng bahay. Okay? Another example, it's been 2 months and you still haven't paid your rent. I'm sorry, but you have to move out. Ibig sabihin ng move out, eto, umalis, okay? So, 2 buwan na ang nakalipas at hindi mo pa rin nababayaran ang upa mo. Pasensya na, pero kailangan mo nang umalis. And now, it's your turn. I'll give you 15 seconds to translate this sentence into English. Nung college ako, umalis ako sa bahay ng mga magulang ko at nangupahan sa apartment malapit sa school para makatipid. Time's up. And the correct translation is, when I was in college, I moved out of my parents' house and rented an apartment near my school to save money. So, yung salitang move out, ginamit dito as past tense. Kaya mapapansin ninyo, yung move ay meron ng letter D. Katunayan na ito ay, yung action na tinutukoy dito ay tapos na. Okay? Sana hindi kayo malito. Okay?